CPT JJ-CPP Evaluation and Management E&M Services Guidelines, page 8, part 11. We're continuing focusing on the time aspect of the coding, right? The time that the doctor spends with the patient, right? So let's read this phrase, this sentence.
Yep. Time continued. Face-to-face time includes the time spent performing such tasks as obtaining a history, examination, and counseling the patient.
Yeah, in this sentence, they're describing what the doctor does, right? The doctor obtains history. The doctor asks the patient, what happened before, what kind of symptoms did you have before. An examination, the doctor examines the vital signs or any other aspect that needs to be examined, and then counsels the patient, and then gives a diagnosis or gives a treatment or a therapy, counsels the patient. So the time that the doctor spends with the patient, that is called face-to-face time. Okay, so that's not the time that the patient is waiting. For instance, in the waiting room, that doesn't count. This is the time that the doctor spends with the patient. Okay, and then we have a little table for terminology, so you can review some of the terms. CMS is Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CPT, current procedural terminology codes, and so on. And then the last two are apply to what we're studying. Face-to-face is the time spent with the patient, and facility and non-facility is hospital or skilled nursing home versus all others. Okay, so that's our theory for today. And now we're going to do a problem. So ready, set, go. Okay, CPT JJ-RVA, page 274, exercise 182, and this is L0 or level 0 exercise. What this means is it's a very simple exercise. We have all these problems level 0 in just one group, in one list in YouTube. So if you're starting to understand coding, you should do those problems first because they are very simple. It's very straightforward how to get to the answer. In this case, the keywords are osteopathic, manipulative, treatment. Okay, and the text of the problem reads like this.
Medicine section. Osteopathic manipulative treatment to 3 body regions.
To 3 body regions. Okay, so be careful with that, to 3 body regions. Okay, so now we're going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and then give us the CPT code for this particular treatment, okay, procedure. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is 98926. Okay, 98926. Did you get that? If you got that, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's give you a tip. There's a tip. Once you go to osteopathic manipulation, which is where you should start, you have 5 choices from the index, right? And you just start looking for 3 regions in order, right? And then once you find it, stop looking, right? And that's your code. That's what Stephanie explained to you, and that's what you should do. And also Stephanie has found the website so you can understand what this procedure is. And as usual, the main websites are with A+, A+, here. Those are the ones that you should see. And there's another A+ here. Yeah, those are the ones that you should try to see. And if you have a little more time and you want to, go deeper into this procedure, you can watch all the rest. But the first group is a must. You have seen it, especially the first one, right? It's ordered by how important they are. Okay, so you have everything. You have the tips, you have the links, and you have the answer. Now we're going to count to 3 so you can pause the video and then give us the path. How we got to the answer. That's the path. How we got to the answer. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is the summary of the whole problem. It's CPT JJ-RVA-274-182, level 0, osteopathic, manipulative, treatment, and text reads like this. Medicine section, osteopathic, manipulative, treatment to 3 body regions. There's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First, you go to index.
Go to the index.
You start with the letter O, for osteopathic manipulation.
Yeah, the index is alphabetically, so you just go to the O, A, B, C, D, keep going until you get to the O, and in the O you look for osteopathic manipulation, which is almost exactly the same as this, osteopathic manipulative treatment, right? Osteopathic manipulation. Now, next to it, you see a range of codes, right? 98925 to 98929. So your code is in this range, but you have to find which one. And how do you do that? By going to the tabular. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
Okay. First, you go to tabular.
Tabular.
You start with the first code.
Now you're going to be examining all the ranges, right? From 25 to 29, right? So you start with the first one, the 25. What does it say, that 25?
98925.
25, right? What does it say?
Osteopathic manipulative treatments, 1 through 2 body regions.
1 or 2 body regions, right? We have 3, so we don't need that code. So keep reading.
Okay. 98926 is the same thing, except it's
3 to 4 regions. It looks like we have our code, but you can keep reading here, but by logic, it's going to be more regions, like 5, 6. We don't need that. So we go back. Those 2 forward slashes means go back to the code. This one, right? 98926. And that is your code, right? The equal sign means that's the code, right? So the answer for this particular procedure is 98926. Okay? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit our website. Can you show them our website?
Oh, right.
That's our website, and then you can subscribe to our website by just clicking in this red rectangle, and you will get
up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10, CPTs. All that's needed to pass the medical coding certification exam.
So don't forget again to visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.